Good afternoon, students. So in the last class we have solved up to the 9th question. So in today's class let us continue with the 10th one. Given that x is equals to root 3 and y equal to root 12, find the value of xy, y by x and x plus y the whole square. So let us solve this. So he has given x equal to root 3, given x equal to root 3 and then y which is equals to root 12, y which is equals to root 12. First we have to go for xy. So it is xy which is equals to root 3 into root 12. So this is equals to root 3 into 12. So we have the standard property root a into root b which is equals to root ab. So now xy which is equals to square root of 3 into 12, it is 36. So what is the value of root 36? It is 6. So the value of xy, it is 6. Next we have to go for y by x. So it is y by x. This is equals to, what is the value of y here? It is root 12 divided by root 3. So now root a divided by root b can be written as root a by b. So square root of 12 by 3. So what is 12 by 3 now? 3 ones are 3 fours are. So we have square root of 4 which is equals to 2. So this is the value of y by x. Next we have to calculate x plus y the whole square. So let us go for the third one. X plus y the whole square which is equals to x square plus y square plus 2 times xy. 2 times xy. So this is equals to, so what is x now? It is root 3. We get root 3 the whole square plus root 12 the whole square plus 2 times xy, 2 times root 3 into root 12. So now here square and root get cancels and square and root get cancels. We have 3 plus 12 plus 2 times square root of these two will be multiplied now. We get root 36. So 3 plus 12 it is 15 plus 2 into 6. Root 36 will be 6. So now 15 plus 2 into 6 it is 12. So overall we get 27. So this is all about the 10th problem. 11th question, it is express 7 plus root 5 divided by 3 plus root 5 in the form of m plus n into root 5 where m and n are integers. So let me write the given question. 7 plus root 5 divided by 3 plus root 5 which is equals to, so we have to go for the rationalization. We have to rationalize the denominator. So 7 plus root 5 divided by 3 plus root 5. So multiply and divide by the opposite sign of the denominator. So we get 3 minus root 5 divided by 3 minus root 5. So now see here, now we have to multiply these two sides. 7 into 3 it is 21. Then 7 into minus root 5 will be minus 7 times root 5. Then multiply these two, now we get plus 3 times root 5. Then now we have to multiply the last two terms. Plus into minus it is minus. Root 5 into root 5 will be root 25. What is root 25? It is 5. then whole divided by, so a plus b into a minus b can be written as a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So let us simplify this now. So here 21 minus 5 will be 16, and then minus 7 times root 5 plus 3 times root 5 will be minus 4 times root 5, then whole divided by square and root get cancels. 3 square it is 9, then minus 5. So it is minus 5. So now in the next step, 16 minus 4 root 5 as it is, root 5 as it is, then divided by 9 minus 5 it is 4. So now in the next step, this can be written as 16 by 4 minus 4 root 5 divided by 4. This is equals to 16 by 4 minus 4 root 5 divided by 4. So what is 16 by 4 now? It is 4 minus 4 and 4 get cancels, we get root 5. So now 4 plus, so here I can write minus 1 into root 5. So this is in the form of m plus n into root 5. This implies m which is equals to 4 and n which is equals to minus 1, n which is equals to minus 1. So this is all about the 11th problem. Well, the 12th question it is, show that root 50 plus root 18 divided by root 8 is an integer and find its value. So let me write the given question. Root 50 plus root 18 divided by root 8 which is equals to, so now I write the numerator as it is, root 50 plus root 18 divided by root 8. So now multiply and divide by root 8. Square root of 8 divided by square root of 8. So now let us multiply the numerators. Root 50 into root 8. It is root 50 into 8. Now plus square root of 18 into 8. So 18 into 8 whole divided by, so now root 8 into root 8 will be root 8 into 8. So now in the next step, which is equals to, so square root of 50 into 8 will be 400 plus square root of 18 into 8 will be 144, then whole divided by square root of 8 into 8 will be 64. So now in the next step, which is equals to, so root 400 will be 20. So 20 plus root 144 will be 12. So 20 plus 12 divided by square root of 64 will be 8. So 20 plus 12 it is 32 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8 fours are, which is equals to 4. So we have expressed the given surd. We have shown that the given surd is an integer and the question was find its value. The value is 4. So this is all about the 12th problem. Well, the 13th question it is, express 3 minus root 5 the whole square in the form m plus n into root 5 where m and n are integers. So let us go ahead with the solution. It is 3 minus square root of 5 the whole square which is equals to, this is in the form of a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square, that is a square plus b square, that is square root of 5 the whole square, minus 2 times ab, it is 3 into root 5. So now in the next step, so here square and root get cancels, 3 square it is 9, plus here we get 5, then minus 2 into 3 it is 6 into square root of 5. So now 9 plus 5 will be 14 minus 6 times root 5. So now this can be written as 14 plus minus 6 into root 5, minus 6 into root 5. So what is the value of m here? M value it is 14 and n value it is minus 6. This implies m which is equals to 14 and m which is equals to 14 and then n which is equals to minus 6. So this is all about the 13th problem. Well, the next question it is 14th one. Simplify root 8 divided by root 18 plus root 32. So let us go ahead with this. Square root of 8 divided by square root of 18 plus square root of 32. This is equals to, so write this as it is now, root 8 divided by root 18 plus root 32. So now multiply and divide by the opposite sign of the denominator. So what do we get now? We get root 18 minus root 32 divided by root 18 minus root 32. So now this is equals to, so root 8 will be multiplied with these two terms. We get root 8 into 18, then minus square root of 8 into 32, then whole divided by, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square, that is root 18 the whole square minus root 32 the square. So now in the next step, so it is square root of 8 into 18, it is 144. 144 minus square root of, so 8 into 32 can be written as 256. 256 divided by, so here square and root get cancels. We have 18 minus 32. 18 minus 32. So here this can be written as root 144 will be 12, which is equals to 12 minus root 256 will be 16 divided by, so 18 minus 32 will be minus 14. Minus 14. So now 12 minus 16 will be minus 4 divided by minus 14, minus by minus it is plus, 2 2s are 2 7s are. So this is the required value. So this is all about the 14th problem.